Hi, second graders. Happy Monday. This is Mrs. Farrell from Emerson and Madison. And my son Patrick and I are going to do a number talk for you today. I know you've been working on some subtraction this trimester, so we're going to go ahead and just do some subtraction problems and share some different ways that we might solve the problem. And you may have a different strategy than us. That would be great if you could share with someone around you. So don't forget, this is mental math. Please do the math in your head. And then, again, share your thinking with someone around you if you can. And we'll go ahead and share our thinking with you. Once the problem's written up here, go ahead and press pause if you need some time to think about it. All right, so Patrick's going to go ahead and write the first problem for us. It is 58 minus 29. So he's going to go ahead and write this here. All right, so we are asking you to go ahead and solve this mentally today. Again, go ahead and pause if you need some time to think. All right, so Patrick, what do you think the difference is for this problem?
I think it is 29.
29?
Yeah.
Okay, so think about, do you agree at home? Do you disagree? Do you have a different answer? I can go ahead and put 29 over here. Okay, I do agree with Patrick, so I don't have another option to give, although some of you may have a different option. Feel free to share at home. Okay.
So what I did is I did 58 minus 20 equals 38. And then I did 38 minus 8 equals 30. And then I did 30 minus 1 equals 29.
Okay, excellent. Think about at home if you did something similar. Patrick broke up his 29, not only just into 20 and 9, but he did 20 and 8 and 1, really. So he took away that 20 first, and then he took away that 8. My guess is because that got him to a decade number, and he thought that would be easier way to go. And then he had just one more to take away. Okay? All right, you want to write down mine?
Sure.
Okay. So I did not do it that same way. I actually started at 58. And I went ahead and subtracted 30. Because 29 is almost 30. And I know that 58 minus 30 is going to give me 28. But I wasn't supposed to take away 30. I was only supposed to take away 29. So I now have to add 1 back in. So 28. I'm going to write it this way. It might be go ahead. 28 plus 1 is going to give us 29. So again, I do agree with Patrick. It's just a little different. Okay, now there's Mrs. Farrell, okay? So think about if you did something similar or if you did something different. I do have one other idea I can share.
Okay. I'm ready.
All right, so my other idea is why not make both these numbers a little more friendly? So instead of doing 58 minus 29, I'm picturing this as 60 minus 30. So if 60 minus 30 is 30.
You added 2 to 58.
I had added 2 to get to 60 over here, so I have to keep that in mind. But I had added 1 from the 29 to get to the 30 here. So I only have 1 extra than I need. So now I'd have to go ahead and subtract 30 minus 1 to get to
30 minus 1 equals 29.
Some of you may have pictured doing this on the number line in your head. Maybe you pictured jumping back 2 10s and then 9 1s. Or maybe you pictured subtracting 3 10s and then adding 1 back in. Whatever the way or whatever strategy you used, if you have something different than what Patrick and I did today, be sure to share with someone around you. Have a great day.